de lo que hoy en día...
Number 10, one of them is Nadine Dorries, who produced Zero Mutants, a little estimate. Gorilla Fart.
And we wave goodbye.
Evidentemente la sensación ha complicado un poco el sector y también de lo que hoy en día se puede considerar...
And disrupting the circle of life. The rising drought cases, it is up to us to be guardians of our own natural world, save our wild species, and provide a home.
Via bbc.com/news. Couple of details. We know a number of cabinet ministers have gone into number 10. One of them was Nadine Dorries, who came out a few minutes ago when we all shouted, "Are you supporting the Prime Minister?"
This morning, 8:13 on Saturday morning is... And then we don't really know how it works, apart from the fact that he is achieving a...
You can hear the sound of gorillas all around us. And that, I think, was a gorilla fart.